Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me this morning. Final day at the ECS, very exciting. Today, I'm going to be talking about enhancing color strength and acceptance with Borchers' new product line, Borchi Boost and Borchi Add. The agenda for today's talk is I'm going to go over the current challenges with colorants in the market, universal type colorant systems in the market, and how these Borchi Boost products help solve those challenges. I'm going to give a product description, as well as give examples and visuals of how these products work and how you use them. So what's the need for these products, and why did Borchers develop these products? The main reason we developed it was from market trends and from feedback from our customers on the issues that they're having with universal type colorant systems. Some of those market trends include globalization of colorant systems, and reformulation of those universal colorant systems to remove VOCs. When you reformulate or you globalize your colorant systems, you're putting more demand on that color performance, and you're putting more universality in those colorant systems. So when you do that, you see color performance, you take compromises in your color performance. From that feedback from our customer, we created the Borchi Boost and Borchi Add products to help solve those compromises and give more formulation flexibility to our customers. Another point is it gives better color control performance from paint manufacturers, and I'm actually going to go over that in the next slide. Another main benefit of the Borchi Boost products are if you have colorant systems of fixed performance. So this includes if you purchase your colorants from colorant suppliers so you're unable to grind your own organic pigments, or if you have formulations that are set and there's no possible way that you can reformulate these pigment concentrates, Borchi Boost products give you the ability to modify that base coat and not the colorant. It gives you more flexibility and more tools as a formulator to make these universal type colorant systems work in your systems. To explain that a little further, I have an example of a architectural type system. When you look at your DIY markets and you have your universal type colorants, those colorants go into bases of many different chemistry types, so acrylic, VAE, styrene acrylic, waterborne alkenes, solvent-borne alkenes. Typically, if you want to optimize your pigments and your colorant concentrations, you need to have different formulations for each base type. But with the Borchi Boost and Borchi Add products, it gives you the flexibility to have one colorant system for many different base chemistries because you're able to add these solutions to your base coats and help universalize your pigment concentrates. So what are the Borchi Boost and Borchi Add products? We have 3 different Borchi Boost products here. We have Borchi Boost 510, 570, 540. Those are for increasing your color strength and solving colorant issues in your paint. These are all post-add solutions, so we're calling this our Borchers Formulator Toolbox. So they're all post-add solutions, easy to fix the problems that you're having in your formulations right now. Our Borchi Add products, we have 2. Those are for fixing compatibility issues that you have in your compatibilizing your universal colorant system into your base formulation. To give you more product information, we offer many different Borchi Boost products, either 50% in water or 100% active. And the differences in the chemistries are based on the polarities of the systems and the affinity that these products have to the bases at different polarity levels. All of these are 1% to 3% dosed active on your base formula. Again, post-additive solution, very easy to use. Our Borchi Add products, we have one that's 90% in water and one also 100%. And again, this is for your universal type waterborne systems going into your solvent-borne bases. So this is another schematic to explain that further. Borchi Boost solves more issues. Waterborne colorants going into waterborne bases, so like chemistry going to like chemistry. Borchi Add is for compatibilizing the waterborne into the solvent-borne systems. So what are the features and benefits of these products? Again, I mentioned that this is your formulator's toolbox. So they're post-add, easy solutions to fix the problems that you're having right now. Reformulations can take a very long time, very time-consuming, sometimes not possible. So these are tools that can fix the problems that you're having immediately. The problems that they solve include compatibility, again, between your universal waterborne colorants going into your solvent-borne systems. They solve any flooding and floating or rub-out you're having with certain colorant systems, as well as they can help with film defects caused by using more universal type colorant systems. So I want to talk about the evaluation process and how you evaluate these Borchi Boost products. First, you optimize your boost type. So we always suggest that you try all 3 boost or both add products, because it depends on the polarity of your system, which product is going to work best for you. And once you pick your product, then you optimize the dosage 1 to 3% active on your formulation. Once you have your optimization done, you can evaluate whatever requirements you have for your testing, your rub-out, your viscosity, your LAB values, your gloss, and so on. So I have a few examples that I'll go through. First, I'll talk about the evaluation process. So what we like to do with our customers, here we have a commercially available exterior flat paint. This was at a do-it-yourself customer at a do-it-yourself type store. They knew that they were having issues in some of their paint systems where they just weren't getting that full color and chroma and capability out of their universal colorants and one specific base. And they had issues with the difficult pigments like your carbon blacks, your organic reds, and your phthalo blues. So what we did was we first screened 1% post-addition on the full formula of Borchi Boost 510, 540, and 570 to see which one worked the best throughout all of the different colorants offered in their line. And you see across the board that Borchi Boost 510 gave the most color improvement and the most impact on that universal colorant system by boosting the color. So from that, we optimized the amount and dosage. And you can see here, it's really visual. And again, this is a post-addition easy fix, so you see it immediately. If you do a quick drawdown and you see that boosted color performance immediately. And visually, you can definitely see it here. And if you do read your color values, your L value has decreased significantly, and you have more of that black universal colorant coming out and really boosted that color. So the main point for this product line is to really solve issues quickly that our customers are having. And now I'm going to go over a few quick examples of issues that we have fixed for our customers. So here we have a commercial OEM system, and jetness is a huge topic for OEM. Everyone wants to reach the highest jetness they possibly can, and as fast as they can. And typically with OEM-type systems, you have formulations that are very difficult to reformulate. They've been with the customer for a very long time, so we can't really make very many major changes. But with the post-addition of Borchi Boost 510, we were able to reach the jetness requirement of our customer by increasing the control jetness from 285 MY to 303. And the MC value, which is your hue-dependent jetness that shows your blue undertone, increase that by 20 points as well. And again, it's a quick, easy fix. And when you are having issues with your colorants and you know that you're not getting the top performance that you can out of that color, these Borchi Boost products can really push the color space to where it needs to be. Another example is we had a customer in a general industrial coating, and I hope it's that you're able to see it, is they had an extreme popping issue with their film formation. I took this photo over a light boost to try to push through that popping issue. I like this example because I had the customer come to me and say, we're using universal pigment paste. We know that in these systems, these universal pigment pastes aren't giving us the color development we need. But then also we're having a popping issue. So I'm looking for a fix to the universal colorant, and I'm also looking for a flow and leveling additive so that I can fix this popping issue. But what some customers don't understand is the popping and film defects can come from the universal type colorant. So by using the Borchi Boost additive, we were able to bring more chromaticity and more color development, as well as fix some of the film defects caused by the universal colorant. Lastly, and most importantly, going over our Borchi Add products, or our compatibilizers. This is a big issue that we see in the market right now, using universal waterborne colorants and solvent-borne systems. In this case, we had a solvent-borne long oil alkyd base with universal type colorants. So there was a blend. There was a TiO2, a black, and a mixture of other inorganic and organic pigments to reach this color space. You can see here with the rub out that they were having a big incompatibility issue between their waterborne colorant and their solvent-borne base. So by addition of the Borchi Add compatibilizer, we were able to decrease the rub out. We look at the delta E rub out. So your rub out is your true color. And then your film, the delta difference between your film is how close you're getting that rub out to the true color of the paint. So with the post addition of Borchi Add, we were able to decrease the delta E from 13 to 2. Also, a huge indication of incompatibility was the gloss was increased by doubled. It was doubled. So when you have incompatibility in your system, that really kills your gloss performance, as well as we were able to decrease the haze by half. So visual explanations of the products is the best way to show it. Borchi Boost and Borchi Add, the main goal of these products are to have simple post-addition fixes to your colorant problems that you're having. So if you're having any issues, please come speak to us about it, and we would love to talk to you about how we can solve your problems. You need to find the right tool in your toolbox. We have many different products that you can use. They give you more flexibility in your formulation, as well as we have universality in multiple products that are available to span the wide range of our customers' product line. And again, they're easy to use and they're simple fixes to your problems. So please come visit us. I would love to talk to anyone further about this product line and if you have any questions. So thank you.